We're back with another round of apartments around the world. Ever wonder what it's like to live in a different city? 3 people in different neighborhoods invite us into their homes and give us a glimpse of what it's like to live in Mexico City. First up, Narvarte.
My name is Mafer. My apartment is located in a neighborhood called Narvarte, which is sort of south of the city. We are so connected to the rest of the city. It's no trouble getting to Condesa, Roma, or even downtown because everything is just so well connected. Fun fact about Mexico City is that the people that weren't born here in the city, that were born in a different part of Mexico and come live here, they're called chilangos. So I am a chilanga because I wasn't actually born here in Mexico City. Another thing that you need to know about Mexico City is that the cost of living is high and rents are high. They're only getting higher. The apartment is 98 square meters, which is I think like 1,050 something square feet. We pay 15,000 pesos a month. I live with my boyfriend and our dog Richie. We have 2 parking spots, 2 balconies, and our own private rooftop. Welcome to our home. This is the entrance, which is basically most of the apartment because it's an open space. So we have the living room over here, and then we have our alcohol. Right now is overflowing because we have no guests and no one's coming. So we have a lot of things and no one's drinking them. We have this accent wall that I really like. We changed it recently during quarantine because I just got bored of the white. So we painted this and it's really cute. Welcome to the kitchen, my favorite spot of the entire apartment. It is so big and we have these 2 countertops, so it has just so much space where we can work, where we can cook. And the best part of this kitchen is that it has so much storage room. It's just insane. My favorite thing is this scale. So I always wanted one as a fruit bowl. So I just bought it and then we painted it because the colors just weren't really like that cool. So now we are in the dining room area where we have, obviously the dining table, our toothless T-Rex, which is just perfect. I don't know why it doesn't have any teeth, but I think it's funny. And also this furniture is where we put all of our board games. So obviously we're not really using them right now because we don't have any visits, but that's where they are. So now we have the bedroom, which is not really that big, but it has 2 closets, so that's always good. Mine's bigger, obviously, and then my boyfriend's is right over here. We have some more vinyls and a player over here, some books, and then we have this headboard made of tiles. Not our idea, this was completely the owner's idea, but I guess it works, and it's just kind of like a nice texture. We just got used to it, so. And then the bathroom's over there, the bed, and it's really cozy and it's warm, so that's always nice. This is the second bedroom that we actually just use as a TV room. It's a really nice space because it has its own balcony, and we also have a closet here that we mostly just use for winter clothes and stuff like that. And this is also where just guests would sleep in. So now I'm going to show you the coolest part of the apartment, which is our private rooftop. We are so lucky to have it. It's the same length as the apartment, so it's really big, and it has its own bathroom. The owner of the apartment actually installed a small roof in there, so it's also very helpful because if it rains, it's not really that uncomfortable. We also have this really cool neon sign that it's the most millennial thing ever. We tried to make it as comfy and as cool as possible because we used to entertain people there a lot. Well, that was it. Thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed the tour and see you around. Bye.
Next up, Santa Fe.
I am Isa and I live in Santa Fe. Santa Fe is one of the business districts in Mexico City, so there are a lot of corporate buildings, a lot of big companies. I absolutely love living here. I live here with my husband and our two pups, and our apartment has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and it also has a balcony / terrace. We also have tennis court and swimming pool and a gym and a kids area. Leo and I pay 23,000 pesos. For what we pay, I think it's a pretty good deal because you're not gonna find an apartment with all the things that it includes that is cheaper. So, welcome to my home. This is the dining room, living room, kitchen area, all in one. What I really love is the ceiling to floor windows because the light comes through like really nice and makes it feel like more homey. We have my favorite corner of my house, the bar cart. So here we have this piece of furniture that it actually was 2 bookshelves. We adapted it and just like laid them horizontally so they would fit like a 1 piece of furniture. Recently was our anniversary, so we don't usually have that kind of fancy flowers, but I think they look really nice today. So this is the kitchen. It's on the smaller side. There are some puppy bowls, and that's a fridge. It actually kind of like serves like a mirror. One thing that I do love is the oven. It's like super big, and because I love to bake. When I'm not baking there, actually you have to see this. It serves as storage space. I bet that in almost every Mexican home, you will find stuff there in the ovens. One of my favorite solutions that we have for storage here in the kitchen, and it's this cart. It's not like the most beautiful of all, it's just like a very industrial cart, but like it gets the job done. We're moving to the bedroom, but first, puppy break. We're at the bedroom and where the home office happens. I decorated like if it was like an actual office space. I actually enjoy the view very much, and that gives me life when I'm working. That's not a piece of furniture. They're actually moving out boxes. We moved here on February and then the lockdown happened. So we were in the middle of finding some place to store them. This is the bathroom. I think it's actually on the bigger side of any bathroom of a small apartment like this. What I like about it is that it has a division between the actual bathroom and the shower. One of the best things about this bathroom is that it has 2 sinks. My husband really loves that. So that's his side and that's my side. And that mirror would be great if actually was a whole body mirror, so you can see yourself like when you're getting dressed and stuff, but that's why I have that crappy one. So this is my balcony. It's my favorite place of my home. On a good day you can see the center of Mexico City, but right now it's a little not foggy but smoggy. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Adios.
Next up, Hipodromo Condesa.
Heyo, my name is Gio and I live in a neighborhood called Hipodromo Condesa. My neighborhood is known because it is in such a central position in the whole city. You have the center of the city a few minutes away, but you also have the ability to connect with other neighborhoods. Also, we have a lot of parks near. I think this neighborhood is considered expensive, one of the expensiest in the whole country. A typical rent here in this neighborhood, you can find apartments from 20 to 30,000 pesos a month. That it's a lot. A few people can pay that, and that's why it's full of people from other countries that like to live here and that have a good salary. What I pay for this apartment is 18,000 pesos a month, that is divided into 3. In this apartment we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Well, this is my apartment. You can see there's a lot of light. We love plants. We have like 100 plants. And we have this terrace that it's big, and we have these great Mexico City views. This wall, I love it. It's yellow, beautiful. But our roommate loved to paint walls and did also that. That is great, I love it. Too much creativity and too much time because COVID-19. We're going to the kitchen, dining room, I don't know what you could tell me. Here is where we sometimes have dinner. all the depths I have. No. And here you can see our kitchen. It's a big kitchen, and we have this air fryer. It's the new thing we bought. Recommended. 100% Fit Life. We have this space so we can wash our clothes. Now I'm going to show you the bedrooms and the bathrooms. Here we have this L, where you have obviously another plant. And this is great because watch this. Colorful! We put this for parties. You can see not that demo because it's a lot of light, but it's a color bulb. This is my room. This is the bed I share with my girlfriend. Obviously, this is the plant we need here. There's a lot of light, but we have these curtains so in the morning doesn't wake us up. And we have the main thing, that is this TV for me, because like you see, I love to play video games. And this is the bed. We're gonna see our bathroom. Here you can see it's not the normal, like the other one, like the shower. This window where our neighbors can see us is sometimes uncomfortable. Here used to live another person, but after she was gone, now we make it our studio slash visitors bedroom slash board game. Here you can see a bed, a big bed that it can go out if another person wants to come here. So we have two beds, especially because my girlfriend is from another city of the country, so they come a lot. And then we have this space where my girlfriend works. She's very busy and she wants to work with a lot of gadgets, so yeah, that's for her. The main thing for me, my board game collection. We have a lot of board games because we love to invite our friends to come here and play. And the other thing I told you, this is our balcony, the view. We have this other building here. We have some tacos, 24-hour tacos, tortillas. Like you can see, this is the view from our balcony.